y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Target, and I haven't been in Target in a while to do a try on, so I'm kind of excited to see what they have. I believe their dressing rooms are open, so hopefully they are. If not, we'll just do the haul at home. But yeah, they should be open, so we're gonna go in and check out what they have. Don't mind my hair flying, y'all. And I know I'll be coming on here looking like whatever, but today is Saturday, so I'm just kind of like at my leisure, and plus it's hot today and I'm going out later and I don't want to take my hair down until I go out. So anyways, y'all don't care, y'all want to see the clothes, and I do too. So yeah, let's go ahead and go in and see what we can find. Alright, so we're in the dressing room now, and the first thing I'm trying on are these wide leg pants, and I thought these are so cute. I love the color. So I saw 10 ways to wear it. She's on Instagram and YouTube. I think she did a reel on like wide leg pants, like the pleated wide leg pants. So I had to give these a try. These look so cute. So you can wear these with heels or flats. And yeah, I just love the color, y'all. So that is the New Day brand. I tried on a size 18 and they fit really well. So I really like these. They have pockets in the front and back, and then there's also a little bit of pleating, and they are high-waisted, which I love. So these, and I was showing y'all that there's a thick band, which is really great for those. So yeah, they fit really well. And I normally would not wear wide leg pants, but I am getting into them. If y'all watch my Kato haul, y'all know that I tried on a few then. So yeah, I'm really liking the wide leg pants. Alright, so here is the next thing that I tried, these cuffed pants. So these are kind of like chinos. They weren't denim. They're just straight leg pants. And they had a little bit of pleating. I'm saying that they're tight. They had a little bit of pleating in the front as well, but yeah, they were tight. You can see they're kind of pulling, but I did want to give them a try. I tried on the size 18. That's where I'm showing y'all the pleats, and then they have a zipper and button pockets in the front and the back, and then that cuff where you're on the leg. So they're like crop pants, if I didn't say that. I like the color. They're just too tight for me. And I also think cropped pants look way better on me when I wear heels. But yeah, I just wanted to give these a try, show y'all how they looked. So y'all let me know, and then I'm showing y'all the back. There was elastic in the back, but you can see that they're just low riders in the back. So no for me. So next I tried on these denim shorts and this top, this really cute top. So first, let's get into the top. I love this. I love peplum. I think it looks flattering on almost any shape. And I love the print of this top, and also that color, that mustard. It's like a dark golden mustardy color. Mustardy golden yellow. Y'all know me in colors. But it also has the smocking on the chest, and then like the ruffly straps. And then it goes down into the peplum. So yeah, this is so cute and flattering. Pair with these denim shorts makes it like the perfect summer outfit. You can wear sandals or heels with this. Wedges would be really cute. So yeah. And then for the shorts, I really like these. They fit really well. These are the Ava and Viv brand, size 18. And I love the fit. I love the light wash, the cuff, and it's got like the raw hem. Y'all know me. Y'all know what I like. Those little details. So cute. But yeah, I love the fit of these. Don't they look really cute on? So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about these two pieces. Do y'all wear Target jeans? Let me know. I think I purchased a couple of pairs of jeans and jean shorts from Target once before. But yeah, I really like the Ava and Viv brand. I like the fit. And the top, I can't remember the brand right now as I'm recording, but it'll be linked in the description below. Alright y'all, check this out. So originally I thought this was a long sleeve dress, and I was like, oh, they're starting to put out new things for fall. But you can wear this like at the end of summer, I think. I don't know if I would wear this right now. Maybe if I was going to an indoor event, because the sleeves are so long and the fabric was kind of heavy. And it's so hot where I am, so I would probably wear this towards the end of the summer season, going into the fall. So that would be good to get something like this, because it can be versatile and you can like wear it as a transition piece. But I really love this dress, and it was I tried on the extra large. Y'all can see it looks a little big. It was a little big on me. You can see I'm kind of showing y'all the extra fabric, and I wish that seam was up a little higher. I mean, I like the length of the dress, but the seam could have been up a little higher to me. I think that would be more flattering on my shape. But I like the tiered ruffles, and I love the color and the fact that you can wear it off the shoulder and the puff sleeves. So this dress is so cute, versatile. You could wear it up on your shoulders, but I would wear it off the shoulder. I think it's so cute like this. I would size down if I was gonna get this. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the dress. And then I also saw this tiered dress. I really like this. I like the checker pattern. Is that what it's called, checkered? I think so. But yeah, I love this. I thought this was really flattering on me. So this is the Who What Wear brand, and they had a lot to choose from in their section. And I love the baby blue color of this. So yeah, this dress really was so cute and like feminine, flirty, fun. It made me like feel like a baby doll. So yeah, I really like this. Like I said, it was really flattering on me. And this is something that could be dressed up or down, like with heels or flats. But I was impressed by this. I didn't think it would look good on me at all with all those tiered ruffles, but it really was cute. And it wasn't see-through at all. So, and the material wasn't heavy. So it would be perfect to wear in the summer. So yeah, I really love that color and just all the ruffly details of this dress. Really, really cute. I also saw this dress and wanted to give it a try. I'm looking for things for work, and things that I could wear like to happy hour after work. So I thought that this would be a good option. I love the color and the print of this. I just don't know about the shape and the square neck and how the square neck goes into the arms. I don't know. I feel like it kind of reads a little bit old, matronly, I guess would be the better word. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. The color is so pretty though. And this is like that same, the same as the blue dress that I just tried on with the tiered ruffles. So yeah, I do like the length as well. And it would be really cute with heels since it's like that length, but I'm not sure about how the neck is. I don't know if I really like it. I'm laughing at myself. I'm looking at my face as I'm watching this back, but yeah, the fit was good. I tried on an extra large, and this is also from the Who What Wear brand, I believe. But all the links will be in the description, so check there if you're interested in anything. I also ended up seeing this slip dress, which I was so happy about because I have been on the hunt for a slip skirt, a slip dress, and so I was kind of shocked to see this in Target, but I don't know why, because Target always has things that are on trend. So yeah, I had to give this a try. I tried on a size extra large. The only problem with this one, and this was the only one that I saw in the store that I was in, it's so see-through, y'all. Like, I would have to wear the correct undergarments for this, but it is so see-through, and you would have to wear a strapless bra. But it does have adjustable straps, and it comes in other colors. Check the description below for the links. I think this one was sold out in the extra large, but it might also come in plus, but not too sure. So y'all be sure to click the links in the description. But yeah, this was really cute. It has two slits on the side and then kind of a little ruffle going on at the hem. I thought this was cute, but just too see-through. Okay, y'all, we're back in the car. And they had some cute stuff. They had some kind of cute stuff. So I noticed that there was a way bigger selection of things in the Who What Wear brand and a New Day. They had some cute stuff. I really like that little slip dress, and I just wish it wasn't see-through. So I'm gonna look online to see if it comes in other colors. And I've been searching for a slip dress or a slip skirt and like that kind of slinky material, like silky like material, and I just haven't been able to find one. I didn't think that one was gonna fit, but it did actually fit really well. It was just see-through, and I would need to wear a strapless bra and like some shaper shorts or something like that. And I got, actually, a company just sent me some shapewear, but it doesn't have, is it? I feel like it has straps on it. I'm gonna have to go home and look at it to be sure, because it might work and I might be able to get that dress because I really liked it. But yeah, anyways, y'all let me know what y'all thought about the haul. I really had fun going in there and seeing what they had. They had a lot of things for us to try. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all thought. Are you going to be buying anything that I tried on? Do you already have anything that I tried on? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Y'all don't worry about my hair looking crazy, but yeah. Follow me on Instagram at Janae Whitney. And yes, I will see y'all next week in another video. Bye. Oh, and let me know some other stores y'all want me to try. I think the next place that I want to go is Walmart. I'm about to call them right now actually to see if their dressing rooms are open. So yeah, y'all let me know where y'all want me to try and I'll do my best to do it. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'll see y'all I'll see y'all next week in another video. Bye.